We'll guide you through how to download YouTube videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, so there are different reasons why you may want to do this. Perhaps you want to go and have a backup of video on your computer so you can go and access it again offline, or perhaps you want to go and watch it just offline and go and keep it entertained while traveling. We're going to guide you through the different ways you can go about this. So make sure this full video and you can then decide what option is going to work best for you. The first method is you can go and get and download your own YouTube videos. So to do this, you need to head to your channel. So you can press your profile icon in the top right. Then you can press YouTube Studio, switch account if needed there. Then what you can do is come to the left and press content. Now you need to go and find the video you wish to go and download. Let's go and say I want to go and download this one here. What you need to do is go over to the right and you can press options and you'll see the option for download, which you can then go and click. Go away and the video is now gone and downloaded. As you can see on my computer, I've now got it there. Alternatively, you may want to go and download other people's videos. If that's the case, you need to go and find the video you want to do this with. Let's go and say I want to do it with a GuideRealm video. I can come onto the GuideRealm channel. I can then browse it and find the video that I want to do this with. I can then go and click on it, go and scroll beneath the video. And what we need to do is go over to the right here. You may need to go and press the three dots. And then you can see the option for download. So you can go and click there. It's important to note to go and use this feature, you need to go and have YouTube Premium. This is a paid subscription to YouTube. Then once you've got it, you can go and press download. If you don't currently have it, you'll get prompted for it when you go and press download and it's now downloaded. And you can press view in the bottom left and here it is here. I can then go and access it and watch it.